Hello, fellow artists, and welcome to today's exploration of a remarkable tool that will elevate your drawing and painting experience to new heights. The Sofft Tools Knives, developed especially for use with pen pastels. These innovative tools offer a seamless blend of precision and versatility, allowing you to unleash your creativity with control. Imagine a tool that combines the fitness of a brush with the precision of a knife. That's precisely what the Sofft Tools knives offer. Whether you are working with pen pastels, soft pastel sticks, pencils, or water-based mediums, these knives provide the perfect balance of flexibility and durability to bring your artistic vision to life. What sets the Sofft Tools knives apart is their unique design. Each knife is ergonomically crafted to fit comfortably in your hand, ensuring ease of use and maximum control over your artwork. The handles are shaped like traditional wooden painting knives, offering a familiar feel for artists of all levels. But what truly sets these knives apart is their compatibility with soft covers, made from a semi-absorbent micropore sponge material. These covers function like a cross between a brush and a knife head. They come in various shapes: round, flat, oval, and point, allowing you to achieve a wide range of effect and techniques. The soft covers are washable and reusable, making them not only economical but also environmentally friendly. Depending on the surface and color used, they can be washed and reused multiple times, ensuring that your tools stay in top condition for countless artistic endeavors. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just beginning your creative journey, the Sofft Tools knives are a must-have addition to your toolkit. With their precision, versatility, and comfort, they'll revolutionize the way you approach drawing and painting. So join me in embracing the transformative power of the Sofft Tools knives, and let's embark on a journey of artistic exploration like never before. Let your imagination run wild and unleash your inner artist with Sofft Tools knives. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy drawing!